Hey everyone! Welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm gonna be guiding you through how you can connect Slotomania to Facebook account. Linking Slotomania to Facebook lets you save progress, play across multiple devices, and enjoy social features like sending gifts to friends. So let's get started. First of all, launch the Slotomania app on your Android or iOS device, and from the main menu, go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. From the expanded menu that appears on the screen, scroll all the way down and look for Enjoy Slotomania Even More or the Facebook Connect button and tap on it. A pop-up will appear asking you to enter your Facebook login details. If you haven't logged into Facebook on the same device, so go ahead and enter your phone number or email and password associated with Facebook, and once you do that, you'll come across this pop-up. Tap on the Continue button in the pop-up and you'll then be able to allow Slotomania to access your Facebook account, and you have successfully synced your game progress. Once connected, your Slotomania account is linked to Facebook. And that's it! You have successfully connected Slotomania to Facebook. Now your progress is saved. You can now play on multiple devices and enjoy fun social features with friends. If you found the tutorial to be helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.